Logan's super happy I'm leaving. What up? I'm taking one last trip to Clinton before I go on a road trip. So I'm gonna grab a haircut, some oil, groceries. Should be all I need. I'm leaving tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. and I've gotta completely tear this rig apart on the inside, clean it, put it back together, clean the outside, change the oil, check all the fluids, air filter, whatever. Get this thing cooled down. It's clean. God dang. Oh shit. This broke last night. I got stuff over here too. The first thing I'm gonna do is take everything out of here. Which is a lot. What the fuck? There's a gun? Cool. My tool belt. That's full of fucking work stuff still. You guys hear the lawn getting mowed? That's Dad. A park pass, the old one, some WD, some probably insurance that's expired. Yeah. That later when the engine's cool. Oh, my putter broke yesterday. Putter. Badass putter. I think it's from a mini golf course, not gonna lie. I can go to the basement. God damn it, I don't want it all to come with, but it's coming with. I'm gonna figure out how to use it. It's a water filter. That's like portable. Take it anywhere, battery powered. Quite cool. A fake bean. Keep a fake bean with you. Alright, this fucker broke yesterday. I'm gonna have to fix that. Tools I'm gonna keep in there because I'm gonna need them. There is oil up in there, I can't really get to it. But I think it's time to clean her out. Vacuum, wipe everything down. Vacuum. A lot of rocks. White powder. Wonder what that is. Probably fucking drywall dust. Druggies thinking it's cocaine. Where's my cleaner stuff? There it is. Or whatever the hell this stuff is. Looks fucking gross. Looks like a big old load. What am I thinking right now? Oh yeah? There it is.
You're twisting.
Yeah. Why don't it fit now? Are you kidding me? Why is it air pad I got is quite nice. Better than what I had. Do this for fucking 5 minutes, not even joking. That's how long it takes. 37. Like squeezing boobies. Getting her done. What's our time? 40. It's quicker than I thought. But I got it hooked up. Slightly filtered going through for the first 10 minutes. This and this. Egg. 2. 3. Fuck it. 1. And shit. Too loose, man. If you ever do this, make sure you lube up the O-ring. That's fucking good enough. We'll put the Dwayne bolt back in. Usually gets it perfect. What the fuck? Got more things in. Water filter, tool bags, clothes involved. Down here. Hiking bag. 25 pounds. Let's get this fucker going. made me peanut butter cookies. And I've got chocolate, peanuts, salsa, trail mix, more beef jerky, lime, cheese, man. Got butter, more butter, cheese, steak, and cheese, peppers and onions, eggs, ground beef. Get all my food stuff in here. Fucking ready to go. Logan's super happy I'm leaving.